Hello, I am Alexander, and today we will continue our journey of investigation of the Bitbucket. Firstly, we need to create a repository. And project name and repository. Include what do we have here? Bucket. Forks, for example, if you want to contribute, you can create a fork. You are creating the whole repository, the copy of somebody's repository. Then you can do some changes, and then you can merge it back to the original. And as you can see here, you can choose allow to do such forks or not. It doesn't matter in general, yeah, for some personal projects, but for clients it could make some sense. And here you can see the C# and git ignore. Let's check what will happen. Yeah, it created something. Let's check if it sits well. Here you also could see a cloning Visual Studio Code. Okay, it asks for credentials. It wants the password. And something went wrong. Let's try one more time. Good. For second try, everything is working fine. Also, here also could commit. Good. And open a Visual Studio. Create a new project. Cool. But as you could see, there are a lot of files which should not be committed. Strange. Gitignore exists, but this gitignore file is incorrect. Check here and then what we can do, we can delete this ignore file and allow Visual Studio to add a correct one. Let's check now. Yeah, now files to commit are correct. Stage everything and push. Successfully. And check. Everything is fine. And also we can compare the difference. In the gitignore file. Commit here. Find gitignore. And yes, as you could see, Visual Studio added a lot of rules to gitignore. That's all. Thanks everyone. Bye.